How to delete a Minecraft account. I am going to show you how you can easily delete a Minecraft account. To delete your Minecraft account, you have to delete your Microsoft account that you used to play Minecraft. Open Google Chrome and search for Microsoft account. Click on the first link, then click on Sign In. Enter your Microsoft email address. Click on Next. Enter your password. Click on Sign In. Check the box and click on Yes. Click on Accept. Click on your info on the left dashboard. Click on Get Started. Verify your identity by clicking on your email address and entering the code sent to your email. After entering the code, click on Verify. Scroll down and click on Close Account. Scroll down and click on Continue. Click on Microsoft 365, then click on Continue. Click on Get Help. Scroll down and select Continue with closing your account. Again, click on Continue with closing your account. On this page, click on Next. Select all the boxes. Select the reason for deleting your account. Click on Mark Account for Closure. Once your Microsoft account is deleted, your Microsoft account is also deleted. This is how you can delete a Minecraft account. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.